Hi there, I'm Simon. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Femtum. Femtum is a Canadian company offering advanced laser solution for the AI revolution and for AI development. Here is the trimming solution. So this laser trimming solution is integrated inside a Ficon-Tech wafer-level tester that is showcased here. This is really the laser system. It's in a rack mount, so it's shipped as is. This can be connected directly to the laser head that is inside the Ficon-Tech. The beauty of this system is that it's a fiber-based system. You just put your laser on a rack mount close to the wafer-level tester, and then you can bring the laser source with the fiber inside the laser head that is directly integrated into Ficon-Tech wafer-level tester. It's much easier to integrate those systems, those lasers, inside a wafer-level testing machine like this one. Why trimming? Well, as you probably know, PIC, so photonic integrated circuits, are becoming an essential hardware for AI. But unlike electronics, light is much more sensitive to process variation in fabs. So some sensitive components like Mach Zehnders, interferometer, micro-ring resonators, or even couplers are very sensitive to phase. And you can think of designing them, but when you fabricate them, they are out of specs. So at Femtum, we thought about this and we say, why can we not develop a laser solution to phase trim, so to tune the phase of those components and bring them back to specs. We developed this new system that is integrated inside the Ficon-Tech. So what you see here is a complete wafer map during the testing. So we are testing here a Mach Zehnder interferometer, and you can see that some chips are on specs at 1310, but some others are out of specs. So when they are out of specs, what you do after measurement, you trim with the laser system so that they become on specs and you recover a certain yield. In order to accelerate production, what we decided to do is to make sure that it's integrated seamlessly inside a Ficon-Tech wafer-level tester. So you test, you trim, you test, and you don't lose time in the trimming process. This trimming technology is really a change in paradigm for the fabs and also for the customers in PIC's design. It enables you to recover yields, accelerate innovation in PICs. You really don't want to miss this wave. If you want to learn more about the trimming process or even the cleaning process for PIC fabrication, please come visit us at femtum.com.